guys, hope you're doing well. Today I want to make barbecue, and every time I barbecue, I try to make the most of the heats and chalks to smoke and cook some aubergines. I'm on my way to go to my local veggie shop. I will show you how I get the aubergines and smoke them and cook them, and after that I pack them and I freeze them. So later I can use them for making Mirza Ghasemi or Kashke Badem Jun. Believe me, it tastes different when you smoke them. So come with me, I will show you how to do it. Okay, have a lovely day. See you later. Here is my veggie shop, local veggie shop. I love this shop. Let's go in. Aubergine, veggie, here you are. Okay, I think 5 is enough. You know what? Just find these giant potatoes, and I think they're perfect for making jacket potatoes. Have you ever tried jacket potatoes? 1 and 2. Perfect. What we have here so far. And some red onion for barbecue. Yep. Okay.
These are aubergines.
Aubergines.
Yeah.
Hey,
Potatoes.
this guy is a hero.
Thank you
Local
very much.
veggie shop.
It's kind of you.
Thank you. Those are for jacket potatoes.
Yes. Jacket potatoes.
I just came here for aubergines. I end up with these. You know,
Sorry.
it's always happened to me whenever I come
You need
here.
to take another one more.
I take
before
another
you
one.
go, yeah?
Perfect. Thank you. That's why I love this guy. Thank you. And this is for barbecue on the charts.
Oh, it will be great.
Love it. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See you later.
See you
Take
later.
care. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Here we are. I finished my barbecue. As you can see, lots of charcoals left. We're not gonna waste this heat. I have my aubergines here ready. So I just put them on the charks. There you go. Okay. So they're gonna get cooked and smoked, and I will come back in 10 minutes to turn them again. Look. So these aubergine been here for 10-15 minutes. I just turning them now. I will keep them like this for another 10-15 minutes maybe. So here we are, the aubergines ready, smoked, cooked, it's water, and I'm now just gonna take them off from the heat. Oh, I don't want charcoal. Sorry. That's it. Now I'm gonna keep them for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes to get cooled down, and then we're gonna peel them. Okay, the aubergines are cooled down. Now just peeling off the skin. It should be so easy. Okay. Okay. Just use a knife. That's it. Next. So here I have the aubergines. I squished them a bit so they easily fell apart, and they're ready to be packed and put them in the freezer. Okay. So as you can see, I'm gonna divide it to one small portion and one larger portion. And this is almost, let's make it 300. It's almost 300 gram. Just remove the air as much as possible. And I'm gonna write here some information that I will need later when I take them out from the freezer. And today is 11th October and 300 gram. That's all I need to know. So as you can see, like 6 aubergines gives me almost 670 gram cooked smoked aubergine. You can keep these aubergines in the freezer for up to 3 months. So whenever you want to make kashk badem jun or Mirza Ghasemi, you can just keep it out and add it to your tomatoes for your Mirza Ghasemi. That's all ready. I hope you enjoyed my smoking aubergine video, and have a lovely day.